Hey, I'm Miguel, founder of Nerd Gear Gaming, and thanks for checking out our Kickstarter campaign for the Commander's Essentials Kit. Now, if you're like me, you've probably been frustrated more than a few times playing Commander, and that's why I want to create a product that made it easy to track the board state and keep the game organized, and do it in style. And that's what the Commander's Essentials Kit can do for your game. Now let's dive in and check out all the gear. Here's your setup for the Command Zone tray, life spinner, and dice. So, first off, we have the actual command zone where your commander lives when he's in the command zone. And when you cast him, you increment the cast tracker with the d6 dice. Then you can use the commander damage section at the top to track the commander damage your commander have dealt to the other 3 opponents. And then we have the miscellaneous tracker. This one can be used for various things. Common ones are poison, experience, energy, and also health over 100. You can use the d20 to represent the 100 and thousands number, so you could have that as a 2 and life counter at 40, so representing 240. So with this, you could go up to 2099 health. And that brings us to the life counter itself, which is a removable life spinner. It is a click wheel with a very satisfying clicking motion. It's nice and firm. They stay in place. Now, this is probably one of the favorite pieces of the kit. Everybody loves the life counter. As you can see, it's got a very nice finish on it, just like the tray. Next, we have the storage case that each kit will come with. So it is a high quality, heavy duty felt case that fits the tray and the dice very easily, with lots of room for extras. Then we have the potential extras if we fully fund all the stretch goals. One of which is the token case. You fit about 30 to 50 tokens in there. It's got a nice elastic closure. We then have the custom EDH generic tokens. Now, don't mind these ones, they're just a paper version. And then we have the dry erase tokens. So these ones are all plastic, very thick. They're essentially credit card thickness and material in the form of dry erase tokens. These all fit nicely together.